Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and obviously you can do it using the regular settings, but I prefer to do it using the keyboard. So let's open the keyboard here and then tap on this the settings icon in this upper panel. Then tap on languages at the top. And here we've got the languages that are currently applied to the keyboard. So let's tap on Add Keyboard here. And we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards. So find yours and tap on it. Here, let me maybe pick something more graphical. Here we've got it. So basically here you will have the keyboard layouts, and the number of keyboard layouts depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have only one, and sometimes even up to 7 different layouts. So just mark the option you'd like to use and tap on Done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the keyboards. And before I'll show you how to remove the languages from this list, I'd like to show you how to use keyboard with 2 or more languages added. As you can see, we've got a hint. So here we've got a globe icon, thanks to which we can change the keyboard layout. So now we've got English and Polish, and after tapping on this one, I believe we've got Russian, or maybe not Russian, sorry. That was and here we've got our new language. So as you can see, this is how to use the keyboard layouts, the language key, and obviously the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So to remove the language from this list, simply enter the settings again, tap on the languages, and here tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language that you would like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.